Good morning, students. We are learning the lesson 100 Dresses, and we have seen that Venda was a shy girl who used to wear only one dress, which was faded and even unironed. Her feet were muddy, and she sat in the corner of her class. Children of her class did not leave any occasion to let her down, to make fun of her. And when she was asked, जब उसको पूछा जाता कि उसके पास कितनी ड्रेसेस है, she used to reply 100 and even 60 pairs of shoes and all the dresses and all the shoes lined up in her closet, in her cupboard. So now we have to continue with this lesson. Come to page number 68. Thinking about Vanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses, and for boys of designing motorboats. क्या कॉन्टेस्ट था? Maddie was thinking that who would win this drawing competition, drawing and coloring competition, which was for girls, and girls had the competition of designing dresses and boys had the competition of designing motorboats. So Maddie was thinking that who was going to win this drawing and coloring contest. Probably Peggy would win the girls' medal. Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. अब तक तो ये थॉट था, अब तक तो ये थॉट रहा कि पेगी ही जीतेगी कॉन्टेस्ट क्योंकि वही सबसे बेस्ट गर्ल थी अभी तक तो. At least that's what everybody thought. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head so that you could almost tell who it was. और पेगी भी अच्छी थी ड्राइंग और स्केचिंग में. वो इतने अच्छी पिक्चर बनाती थी किसी भी फिल्म स्टार के हेड का, तो इजीली बता सकते थे ये किसका स्केच उसने बनाया है. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners. Then they would know. मैडी को पक्का विश्वास था कि पेगी ही जीतेगी. Even the result was going to be announced the next day. और वो जानते थे कि कौन जीतने वाला है. The next day it was drizzling. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this, they did not wait for Vanda Petronsky on the corner of Oliver Street, the street that far, far away. Under the railroad tracks and up the hill led to Boggins Heights. Anyway, they weren't taking chances on being late today because today was important. It was drizzling. Drizzling means light rain. And these two friends, Maggie, means Maddie and Peggy, they were going to the school under Peggy's umbrella. And it was a day that they did not want to wait for Vanda because it was very exciting for them to receive the result. Actually, Vanda was coming from the corner of Oliver Street, which was leading to Boggins Heights, and this day was being very important for them, so they did not want to wait for Vanda. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. Peggy ने पूछा, क्या सोचते हो आज मिस मैसन स्कूल में रिजल्ट अनाउंस करेंगी? Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie. Of course, you will win, Peg. Maddie भी उसको मोटिवेट कर रही है, एनकरेज कर रही है. Of course, you will win the contest. तुम बहुत अच्छा ड्रॉ करती हो. Hope so. पेगी भी ईगरली बोली, हाँ मुझे भी यही उम्मीद है. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. There were drawings all over the room, on every ledge and windowsill, dazzling colors and brilliant, lavish designs, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping papers. There must have been 100 of them, all lined up. These must be the drawings for the contest. They were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. Now, as soon as they entered the classroom, they were mesmerized, they were surprised, gasped. मुंह खुला का खुला रह गया, उनको पूरे रूम में इतनी सारी डिजाइन्स लगे हुए थे. There were drawings all over the room. चारों तरफ रूम पर ड्राइंग्स लगे हुए थे. On every ledge and window sill, even window sill पर भी, ledge पर भी, हर जगह ड्राइंग्स लगा रखी थी, क्योंकि इतनी सारी थी, नियर अबाउट 100. Dazzling colors means bright colors were used. Brilliant, lavish design, बहुत खूबसूरत डिजाइन किए हुए. And there must have been 100 of them all lined up. सब arranged थे. These must be drawings for the contest. वो सोचते थे ये भी contest के लिए ही drawings होंगी. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. हर कोई देखकर सरप्राइज था. इवन कुछ विस्लिंग करने लगे, बहुत खुश थे कि इतनी सुंदर डिजाइन है, ड्रेसेस है. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winners. Jack Bagels had won for the boys, she said, and the design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12, along with the sketches by all other boys. जैसे ही क्लास में सब इकट्ठा हुए, मिस मेसन ने रिजल्ट अनाउंस किया. जैक बैगल्स हैड वन द कॉन्टेस्ट फॉर द बॉयज. उसने जो बॉयज के लिए जो कॉन्टेस्ट था वो किसने जीता? जैक बैगल्स ने. रिमेंबर दिस नेम. जैक बैगल्स हैड वन द कॉन्टेस्ट फॉर द बॉयज. और वो अब आगे बोली, his designs for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12 along with the sketches by all other boys. उसने बताया कि इसका बनाया हुआ जो स्केच है वो दूसरे बॉयज के बनाए हुए दूसरे स्केचेस के साथ रूम नंबर 12 में लगा हुआ है. As for the girls, she said, and now as far as the matter of girls is concerned, the contest for girls is concerned, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most, the girl and the room number 13 be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. I am very happy to see that Vanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls' medal. Just think, other children were making fun of her, but she proved herself. Okay? तो मिस मेसन ने रिजल्ट अनाउंस किए कि जहाँ तक गर्ल्स की कंपटीशन की बात है, इस बार रूम नंबर 13 प्राउड फील कर रहा है. किस पर? वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की पर. इस गर्ल ने 100 ड्रेसेस डिजाइन की हैं. ऑल आर डिफरेंट. मीन्स दिस गर्ल डिजाइन 100 ड्रेसेस विच आर ऑल डिफरेंट, all with different designs and all are beautiful. So all judges chose her drawings to be worthy of winning, and she announced that Venda Petronsky was the winner. Unfortunately, Venda has been absent from school for some days. She said that unfortunately, Venda had been absent from the school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. और वो बता रही थी क्लास को कि उसको इतना अप्लॉज मिला है, इतनी तारीफ मिली है और वो क्लास में है ही नहीं. उसकी डिज़ाइन की हुई ड्रेसेस हैं पर वो क्लास में नहीं है. लेट अस होप शी विल बी बैक टुमारो. वो क्लास को कह रहे थे कि हमें उम्मीद रखनी चाहिए कि कल तक वो आ जाएगी. नाउ क्लास, यू मे फाइल अराउंड द room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. So she asked the students to be lined up and to look at the designs made by Venda properly. Okay, you may file up. File around means arrange होना, line up हो जाना. ठीक है. So she asked the students to be arranged in a file, to be in a line, to watch her dress designs. And exquisite means extremely beautiful and well made. जब बहुत एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी क्वालिटी की कोई चीज़ होती है, बहुत सुंदर जब कोई चीज़ होती है, तब हम उसको कहते हैं एक्सक्विजिट डिज़ाइंस. रिमेंबर दिस एडजेक्टिव टू शो समथिंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरीली ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, जैसे ज्वेलरी के लिए हो गया, आर्ट क्लासिक डिज़ाइंस के लिए हो गया, दिस स्टेचू और ये जो क्राफ्ट वर्क है उनके लिए आता है, कार्विंग के लिए आता है, एक्सक्विजिट कार्विंग्स. तो जो एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरीली ब्यूटीफुल कोई चीज़ें हैं उनके लिए यूज़ करते हैं, स्पेशली जब हैंडमेड होती है उनके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं एक्सक्विजिट. द चिल्ड्रन बर्स्ट इनटू अपलॉस. बच्चों ने भी खूब तालियां बजाई, खूब उसकी तारीफ की. एंड इवन द बॉयज वर ग्लेड टू हैव अ चांस टू स्टैम्प ऑन द फ्लोर. और इवन इस बार तो बॉयज ने भी अपनी खुशी जाहिर की. दे स्टैम्प्ड देयर फीट ऑन द फ्लोर. सो पुट देयर फिंगर्स इन देयर माउथ एंड विसल. बॉयज सारे विस्लिंग करने लगे अपनी उंगलियों को मुंह में लेकर. दो दे वर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन ड्रेसेस. हालांकि उनको ड्रेसेस में उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था बॉयज को, पर उनको जब कहा गया कि अप्लॉज मिलना चाहिए वेंडा को, तो दे स्टार्टेड विस्लिंग एंड अप्लॉजिंग एंड स्टैम्पिंग देयर फीट. लुक पैग, whispered Maddie. There is that blue one she told us about. Isn't it beautiful? अब मैडी धीरे से विस्पर, बहुत धीरे से बोली पैगी को कि देखो पैग, कितनी अच्छी वो ब्लू ड्रेस है जिसके बारे में वो हमें बता रही थी. So let's summarize the lesson. This story is about a quiet girl who was very shy, named Venda Petronsky. She is a Polish girl. Polish means, as I told you, belonging to Poland, who had come to America with her family. Immigrant का मतलब तो आप जानते होंगे. Immigrant means the person who goes from one country to another to settle. She was a Polish immigrant who had come to America with her family. She attended school with American children who found her name to be strange and probably the weirdest in the classroom. Weirdest मतलब बिल्कुल अलग, बिल्कुल strange, weirdest. This is because they all had easier names. She was poor and was always seen wearing a faded blue dress. Her classmates teased her, all lined up in her closet. Okay? They all teased her because she claimed to have 100 dresses. सब लोग उसको चिढ़ाते थे because she used to tell her that she had 100 dresses, but actually she was wearing only one dress every day, and therefore the other boys were teasing her. She claimed that she had 100 dresses. Okay, what did she say? She had 100 dresses and all lined up in the closet. And she was found wearing only one same dress every day. The ones who mainly teased her were two best friends, Peggy and Maddie. Peggy was the most famous girl in school, while anyone barely knew Wanda. Peggy जो थी वो बड़ी पॉपुलर थी पूरे स्कूल में, पूरी क्लास में, और वेंडा को तो कोई जानता ही नहीं था. Okay, as you have learned that Peggy was one of the most popular girl. She was good at every skill, in studies, in drawing. Peggy and Maddie used to wait for Wanda because before even school, okay, they used to wait for Wanda. Even if it is meant getting late, वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स उसकी वेट किया करती थी, थोड़ा चाहे वो लेट भी हो रही होती तब भी वेट करती थी. मेडी, a poor girl herself, did not like when Peggy made fun of Wanda. देखो दोनों फ्रेंड्स उसका मजाक बनाती थी, पर फिर भी मेडी खुद एक पुअर गर्ल थी, पर उसकी फ्रेंडशिप किसके साथ थी? पेगी के साथ. उसको हालांकि पसंद नहीं था कि किसी का मजाक बनाया जाए. She shared that she did not want to make fun of anyone. She feared that she could be the next. उसको ये भी डर था कि आज वो किसी का मजाक बनाएगी तो कल उसका भी बन सकता है. She wanted Peggy to stop making fun of Wanda, but could not summon courage to face her as she feared she would lose her best friend. वो अपनी फ्रेंड को मना करना चाहती थी कि इसका मजाक हम नहीं बनाए, लेकिन एक डर उसको ये भी था कि अगर वो उसकी फ्रेंड को कुछ कहेगी तो शायद उसकी जो फ्रेंडशिप है वो हमेशा के लिए टूट जाएगी. However, Peggy's intention was never to hurt Wanda. हालांकि पेगी का कभी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं था कि वो वांडा को हर्ट करे. But she was curious as to why Wanda had to lie that she had 100 dresses in her closet. वो जानना चाहती थी कि वो आखिर वेंडा झूठ क्यों बोल रही है कि उसके क्लोजेट में 100 ड्रेसेस हैं. Fine. Truth about the same 100 dresses unveiled on the result day of the drawing competition. अब 100 ड्रेसेस का सच क्या था वो किस दिन पता पड़ेगा? जिस दिन रिजल्ट अनाउंस होने वाला था. एज आई टोल्ड यू देयर वर 2 competitions, one for boys and one for girls. So their result was going to be announced and everyone was waiting for the results. The room was lined up with 100 drawings portraying different dresses. पूरे रूम में क्लोजेट पूरे सब तरफ, इवन पूरी क्लासरूम में विंडोज़ पर, सिल्स पर, सब जगह पर ड्रेसेस अरेंज कर दी गई थी, ड्राइंग्स सारी। ओके, तो everyone, every boy and girl was very excited, very happy to see all these beautiful drawings, and they were so beautiful. Everyone praised the beauty of the dresses. Fine. That day she truly had 100 dresses all lined up. अब उस दिन पता पड़ा कि कितनी होती 100 ड्रेसेस लाइंड अप उनको करना, और उनको इतना ब्यूटीफुली कलर्ड, फैंटास्टिक, ब्राइटली कलर्ड थे सारे. At that moment, Peggy and Maddie, who were awestruck, realized the theory of 100 dresses and felt guilty about having treated her badly. Now they realized at that moment, Peggy and Maddie, they were just dumbstruck. वो तो कुछ बिल्कुल सरप्राइज थे. They did not have words to speak. And then they understood the theory of 100 dresses, and now they realized themselves very guilty. They were feeling very guilty about the ill treatment they had given to Venda. समझ में आ रही बात कि किस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी फ्रेंड, एक न्यू कमर, एक जिसको वो फ्रेंड कहती थी, उसको भी उन्होंने मिसबिहेव किया. उसकी जो कपड़े पहनने का तरीका था उसका मजाक बनाया. एंड व्हेन शी यूज्ड टू टेल दैट शी हैड 100 ड्रेसेस, दे मेड फन ऑफ हर. नाउ दे रियलाइज दैट how many dresses did she have. Okay, so I hope you have understood the meaning and you have done the assigned work. Now you have to do one activity. You have to draw 5 sketches of dresses. You can take the help of the designs given in your book, or you can choose your own choice. You can take the help of some other sources. Okay, so you have to draw them in your same notebook after this completion of the work in your notebook. Draw 5 sketches of the dresses that are given in the book. You can use your own imagination and sketch them. Means you have to design the dresses of your own choice.